Ishan, you are Hamma. You are Hamma. Are you Hamma? Okay. Okay, I'm taking photo. What are you doing? What are you doing? So guys, as you can see, his Hamba. His Hamba. Ishan today Ishan is Hamba. Cow. His cow. As you can see guys, today it's a very sunny day and now we are at the top floor and we have come here to take little bit sunshine. And today there is no class for Ishan and so that's why we are top floor. And as you can see, here is Ishan. Ishan. Ishan, today you don't have class. What? Yes. Okay. আমি তুমি দল ভালো এখানে আমি থাকবো ওকে ওকে you will take shower okay so he want to play with me. He's very young, very child. Okay, what I have to do? What I have to do? Oh, I have to what? I don't know what he want to play. I'm not understanding what he want to say actually. Oh, he is taking his shower. So he was telling me that, uncle, give me soap or not something else. And he has a lollipop. Ishan, show your lollipop. Give me lollipop. Is it lollipop? Is it lollipop? Is it lollipop? Okay, understood. So he is taking a lollipop. I mean a chocolate, and this is the thing, guys. And he is very child. He is in the class of LKG. Maybe he is in LKG. And oh my God, what are you doing? Don't do like this. Okay, guys. Today I would like to tell you that I am learning English like this. This is the process. Every day I come. Actually, whenever I stay in my room, I try to speak. When I stay alone, I speak alone, and when I get lot of peoples, and at that time I try to speak with them. And today, but he don't know English. Just I'm trying, and whatever I'm actually doing, I'm just trying to speak. And if there is any problem, I'm facing any problem, then what you did, Ishan, it was hitted me on my ear. So this is the thing, guys. I he's playing. Don't do like this. Don't do. Ishan, don't do. I'm telling you, don't do. Oh my God, he has a bad habit to go here. So at first I would like to out from here. Ishan, no, you can't go there. No, I will scold you. Okay, I will scold you. No, you can't go there. I have told you. No. So guys, this is the thing, guys. He don't want to actually listen my words. I'm telling him that don't go there. It can be danger. From here you can see. Not from here. Okay, yeah, you can do. So he is actually looking forward. I don't know what he is looking from there. As you can see, from here don't look. Okay, Ishan, from here don't look. From this side try to look. Okay, from this side. Okay, here also you can watch in the distance. Okay, this is the thing, guys. And just I have taken my shower in the morning time, and also I have taken my tiffin. In my tiffin there was moody chanachur and also a biscuit and something actually dry food there was. So just I have taken and now I'm taking little bit sunshine from this place. I have told you guys, and morning time we feel actually little bit cold in Calcutta today, and nowadays 4 5 6 days we are feeling actually a little bit more cold, because there was yesterday, before yesterday there was Makar Sankranti, so that's why there was very much cold. And in the time of Makar Sankranti we feel little bit more cold, because this is the actually winter, last actually cold, you can say. Makar Sankranti, in Makar Sankranti, that day we feel little bit more cold, and after that, day by day, it has actually what I can say, decrease the cold temperature. I mean temperature will be increased. I mean 20 degree, 25, 30 degree. It will be very high, because it is just going to come summer. So that's why the temperature will be little bit high, and he is working there. What he is doing, guys, as you can see, he is actually cleaning all the roof. He is cleaning actually all the roof. He is cleaning. So this is the thing, guys, and just I am trying to learning English like this way. Every day I try to speak like this, and today I can speak English. Okay, I can speak English for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, half an hour. How many times? How much time I can speak? I can speak. Okay. So you also try to speak like this way. And guys, I would like to tell you that try to watch English blog video. Don't watch your local language blog video. What do you want to say? What? What you did? So this is the thing, guys, and today's vlog I am ending, because this video is going to very long, so I have to end this video here. I'll be back in another new vlog, guys. Till then, tada, bye bye.